introduction very good. We have very big projects. We are dealing with this company. And thank you very much for hospitality and for everything. Thank you.
Very nice assistant.
And they have very nice staff and good sales and good product manager. And they gave us the Lucky Rock from China. Thank you very much. We are lucky to get this Lucky Rock. Thank you.
So are you going to place a big order?
Yeah, we are giving now big order to them. Thank you.